Hello friend, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you how to make weight loss drink with cucumber, lemon, ginger. Lose belly fat 7 kilograms only 10 days. First we need cucumber for weight loss. The cucumber diet is a short-term weight loss diet. Most versions of the diet claim that following it for 7 to 14 days can lead to a 15-pound, 7 kilogram, weight loss. In fact, proponents of the diet sometimes use the tagline, 7 days for 7 kilograms. The diet consists mainly of cucumbers, along with a few protein-rich foods, such as eggs, chicken, fish, and nuts. It recommends replacing most foods with cucumbers, meaning even other fruits and vegetables should be kept to a minimum. Since the diet lacks variety, following it for longer than 14 days is not recommended. Second, we need ginger. Ginger is a flowering plant that is mostly cultivated for its root, an ingredient in cooking and baking. Ginger also decreases inflammation, stimulates digestion, and suppresses your appetite. These properties lead some people to believe that ginger may promote weight loss. The medical literature indicates that ginger can work along with a healthy diet and exercise to help you reach a healthy weight. Ginger is typically used with other ingredients when weight loss is the goal. Blending this remedis. Last we need lemon. Mixing a few drops of lemon with water has been proved to be very good for digestion, increasing energy levels and improving concentration. Lemon water looks very simple, but the amount of health benefits this drink possesses is massive. It also aids in hydration and makes you feel full when consumed. However, there are some people who may be allergic to lemon water. So, in this case, water will be a good healthy source of weight loss. Mix it well. We have to mix it well. How to drink these remedies. It can be taken either on an empty stomach. Drink in the morning. Every day drink this remedis. I hope only 10 days a good result for you. If you like this video, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.